Chimelong Paradise is a world-class theme park located in Guangdong, China, and with it being home to over 70 attractions, there is no wonder it is China's largest theme park. However, today we are going to count down the top 5 rides at Chimelong Paradise. Starting off at number 5, we have U-shaped skateboard, and no matter whether you want to ride a humongous skateboard or you are just looking for another fun attraction, then this is just for you. The only thing is, however, it is not all easy skating, because as soon as you have boarded the skateboard, and for the best overall experience, we would suggest that any of the larger groups sit on 2 separate discs. Not only will you rise up and down the U-shaped track, but you will also spin around, creating both some pretty funny interactions as well as an experience that is definitely top 10 worthy. You can't have a theme park without a pendulum ride, and Chimelong Paradise is no exception. As for our number 4 spot, we have Super Pendulum, the park's, believe it or not, giant pendulum ride. And so before we do begin to talk about the ride experience itself, with it being one, if not the most common type of ride around the world, if you are visiting the park on a busy day, then we suggest the more unique attractions first. Yet if you do get a chance to ride, you'll definitely not be disappointed, with you and the other 45 thrill seekers rocking back and forth, higher and higher, whilst also spinning around non-stop, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. Here we are at the top 3 rides at the park, and if you're scared of heights, then look away now. As for this spot, we have Free Fall, and with it standing very, and I mean very high in the air, already I know some of you are going to be like, no way Jose. However, it does not stop there, as once you have made it to the tippy top of the tower, not only will you continue to spin around, providing an amazing view across both the park and surrounding area for what feels like an eternity, but before you can say, wow, that really is an amazing view, will plummet back down to planet Earth in a matter of seconds. And you do not need to be a rocket scientist to know that is intense. Who here loves going upside down? Well, if that is you, then look no further. As for our number 2 spot, we have 10th Ring Roller Coaster, where, as you can probably guess by the name, it has taken the word upside down to the next level. Quite literally, because as soon as you have boarded the train and you have made it to the top of the lift hill, you will race around not 1, not 2, but a total of 10 unique inversions at a max speed of 50 miles per hour. How cool is that? And so when also taking into account the incredible theming and scenery throughout, as well as the fact that this used to be a Guinness World Record holder, a trip to Chimelong Paradise would be nowhere near complete without a ride. We have made it to the number 1 spot, and in my eyes for the best ride at the park, we have got no other than Vertical Roller Coaster. And where do I begin when talking about this ride? As if I was going to talk about every great part, we would literally be here all day. Yet to start from the beginning, from the moment you walk into the park and see this giant 200-foot dive coaster, you will instantly want to take a ride. And you should definitely do just that, as words literally cannot describe how fun its many drops, turns, inversions, airtime hills, and that amazing splashdown effect really is. And so despite it being a pretty short ride, I think it is very easy to see why it is at our number 1 spot. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.